Mission Director ke Drug Reduction Elimination and Action Mission DREAM uba Francis Karshieng henni kasngi uralet yakando ikibreo ki balangop haka jingdi drug haka jala. Kini ki samla ki balangop haki jingdi drug man kasngi ki julum Hashanti Bhavan panuan bam jasngi haka yeng kabala panyat di ki sister jangka Missionary of Charity kabadan halendet jangka Raj Bhavan. Uba Francis habakran hakani kasngi ulong bakat kum ke jingi thok ke sister man kasngi ki don kumbasan pongot ki brio ki bedangop haki jingdi drog ki bawan luom ban bam jasngi Hashanti Bhavan. Maria yo jingtep uba Francis ula shem mikani kabu ban yekendo yeki bad ula lom lang ikinong islok bad ikun hon ki balalat na ki jingdi drog manta kanang bakin penshai lor kumno ban lat ki ni ki jingdi drugs bad ki e ki lat jing sumar.
Role. Then she told me that every day 50 odd people come here who are, most of them may be users who are coming here for free lunch. So I thought, why not, if I can get the opportunity to come and meet them? And so I requested sister. She was very kind enough to allow us to come here. So with that in mind, I brought in the counselors to speak about rehabilitation, about detoxification. But I also thought that if once a person is rehabilitated or he is ready to change, but what next? Because the chances of relapse are very high in drug abuse. In substance abuse, chances are very high of relapse unless he finds another way out. So, which is why I brought vocational departments, professionals like ITI, skill development, BITS, and many have joined, so that it is seamless. After detoxification, then you have your rehabilitation, and after rehabilitation or side by side with the rehabilitation, skills could be taught also. So this was an opportunity. It is not something special that I came here. It's just that I came to know that these children used to come here, so I took the opportunity to address them.
Coming to treat.
Agree with you. Recently, I went to Maupuram, where we had the Manbha Foundation had organized a health camp. So after the health camp, they invited me to address to see these some of our youths who are into this social problem that we are having. So I met a few of them and I encouraged them to come for detox and rehab. The first thing that they said, if it is free, they are ready to come. So then I realized, because I didn't understand this issue, then we did a review and we realized that we have very few rehabilitation centers in the 6 of them are with the government, but the rest are private institutions, and each institution charges around 8,000 to 15,000 per month. That is a very critical problem particularly for our youth. Realizing this issue, recently I had a meeting with the deputy commissioners of 6 districts which are hotspots at the moment, and I've appealed to the deputy commissioners to kindly partner with, take it up with the influential businessmen or private hospitals within their districts, to encourage them to initiate new rehab centers. The government also keen that NGOs or private partners come up and to establish, to open up rehab centers, which the government also will support. So at the moment, yes, you're right, this is an issue. We are critically short of you. I'm in the process of writing individually to all the deputy commissioners to go ahead to seek support from their district, from influential businessmen and NGOs or private or well-meaning individuals, as part of the CSR, community service, social responsibility, that they can give something and we can go ahead. It is not a short-term solution, it will take some time, but let's hope we start off. We have to start somewhere. And
Can you tell the
maybe a special card for such substance abusing children who are into this problem. They may be given a special card, special priority for them, because it is a difficult problem. It is a difficult issue. I will be taking it up with the government, definitely. I will not be able to comment on EU. We are in discussion with them, and it is their prerogative. I mean, but we are, and I believe they are also initiating a new task force to strengthen the anti-narcotics task force, and also like you've heard the government also mentioned, we are planning to put 2 scanners, one in Ratachera and one in Bernihat, and we also including dogs. We are in the process of procuring sniffer dogs also to assist these operations. See, like I said, like you all know also, I've just recently joined and after joining, I have put my thoughts together and what are the initiatives that there is a mission which the dream mission itself has propagated. One is prevention, one is rehabilitation, and the other is awareness. So it's important that after going through this issue, I've realized that it is a very complex problem. It cannot be addressed to only one aspect. I mean, we are saying that police should work more. Yes, definitely police should work more to prevent and arrest these smugglers. But it doesn't end there. There are other issues also, like for example, the other day we were discussing, like you heard Bari, just president of the Users Foundation, he said that this is a very complex issue. Many of the users also ailed with HIV and other diseases, which society also will. It has its issues in society. So it is a complex problem, but these are small initiatives we thought we should start off with and address it from various angles, and this is one of the initiatives that